This is a large-size industrial-grade particle 3D printer G12 launched by PLA+fiber. The maximum printing size can reach 1200*1000*1000 mm. It is widely used in automobiles, aerospace, furniture, architectural landscape, material testing and other fields. Now that the tire you see is printed in 1:1 size, let's take a look at how it is printed. First of all, we import the 3D model of the tire designed in the early stage into the Creality print slicing software. If you need the operation tutorial of the Creality print slicing software, please leave me a message. In the process of slicing software, different printing parameters can be set according to the properties of different consumables. Adjusting the print head position for G12. 2 steps need to be completed before starting to print. First, pour the platform glue into the printing platform and apply it evenly. Second, we need to insert the U-disc of the copied model into the G12 U-disc interface. After coating platform glue, we can set the printing parameter. Today, we use the PETG plus glass fiber consumables. The temperature of the sprinkler head down is set to 195 degrees. The temperature of sprinkler head up is set to 185 degrees. Hotbed temperature is set 70 degrees. After the setting is completed, select the print file. When the temperature reaches, the machine will automatically start printing. No other operations are required. PLA+fiber 3D Material 3D Printer G12 adopts FGF molten particle structure forming technology. The maximum printing size is 1.2 meters, and it is equipped with high-power stepper motor. The screw extrusion nozzle design is used to fully melt the consumables, and the nozzle diameter is 0.6 to 3 millimeters, which ensures the stability and smoothness of the discharge. Now that the tire model is printed, we use a spatula to remove the model. Let's take a look at this printed product. The printing is very good, and the layers are very fine. There is no warping, cracking or deformation. G12 is not only suitable for traditional commercial thermoplastic pellets such as PLA, PETG, ABS, and special mixed materials such as carbon fiber composites, but also supports metal pellets and ceramic pellets, which reduces the cost of printing materials. It increases the variety of choices for users who have strict requirements for materials.